My name is Mark Tuttle, and I'm on the board of directors of Apollon, where I was a co-founder a long time ago. It was fun to talk to software people, because usually in the past I've talked mostly to physicians and biologists, people who don't necessarily know much about computer science. So it's nice to have an audience at the other end of the spectrum. Because now computing resources are so cheap and plentiful, data is the biggest resource, the biggest lever we have to solve difficult, messy problems that have resisted solution by other means. If the old methods worked, we'd already have solved the problem and we wouldn't care. But in fact, they're giant unsolved problems, and data is the best lever we have at solving, which is basically experience, and then trying to digest experience using statistics or machine learning or visualization or something else. Well, this is sort of what I came to after I found out that most of the audience was going to be software people. And that's that open content is going to have sort of a parallel life with open software. So open software started more than 60 years ago, and it's taken that long to get to where open software is in a dramatic industry-leading position now. And I claim that the same thing is going to happen with open content, and it won't take 60 years, but we're not there yet. And so my co-author, Brian Carlson, and I basically talked about how open content is the same and different as open software. And so one reason it's different is, what does it mean for open content to be correct? It's a very difficult and messy problem. But in other respects, sort of management and need for tooling and version management and change management and all that kind of thing, it's the same in software as it is in content. Yeah, I heard you asking this question before, so I've been thinking about it. I think the most important thing is to get started. And if you get started and find that you need more analytical or theoretical understanding, then by all means go to school. But before you do that, get started so you have some idea of where you're going and why and what you need to know. So that's my advice.